Here at Maths Decoded, we encourage all kinds of logical reasoning. So, ma'am, today I've got a puzzle for you.
Okay.
Uh, Say that I have, I give you 9 golden balls.
You give me 9 golden balls.
Yes, I do. And for the skeptic that you are, you try to check all the balls whether they are made of real gold or not. So you first look at them, and you see that all have the same shine, all feel the same when you touch them, and all are of the same weight. If you just measure it with your own bad hands. But I somehow let you know that one of these balls is made of a heavier cheap metal.
Oh,
So one of the balls
One
is
is
heavier than
fake.
out of the 9, one is fake. It's made of some rip-off metal which is heavier than the rest.
okay.
So one ball is a tiny bit heavier, but I don't give you any weighing machine or anything of that sort.
Oh,
By that I mean a digital weighing machine, because what I give you is I give you this,
a physical
a
balance.
physical balance that shows just which side of the balance is heavier when you place two objects.
Oh.
So what if you had placed this ball over here and say that this ball, and assuming both are golden balls, you'll see that the needle of the balance is just upright, pointing up.
They are equal.
They are
The weights.
equal, and whichever side is heavier, the needle will point to that side a little
yes.
bit. Okay, so this is the only tool you have been given, and you have been asked to find out the fake ball.
Okay.
And you should do this in minimum number of trials. So what I just did now counts as one trial. I took two balls and I placed them on either sides. So that is one trial. One read of the beam balance is one trial for me. So I want to do this in minimum number of
So
trials.
finding the faulty ball in minimum number of trials.
Yeah. So how do you do this?
Okay,
So well, if you take one ball at a time. So as you were-
as you did before, but you already said that if I take one ball at a time, I'll have to take 8 trials. But what if I find the
So
faulty
8
ball in my
trials.
second trial itself?
Okay, so first you'll take 8 trials, because in the first trial you'll measure these two balls and then you'll get them out of the way. And then assuming you are getting the faulty ball at the end, always the worst case scenario.
If I'm
for
lucky,
these
I'll
things.
get it in my second trial.
But you cannot assure me that you will get it in your second trial. So you
that's
have to assure me the minimum number of trials required for you to be alone in a room and sit with these tools to give me the fake ball.
Okay, assuming that I get the fake ball only in my last attempt.
Yeah. That's you're assuming the worst case
so then
happens.
doing one by one
So
is
doing
not,
one by one, let us go over what we'll do. So we'll take two balls as I cross them out. We'll measure this. We'll count them as one trial. So the next trial we'll take this ball
Okay.
and this ball then for the next trial.
8.
And this ball. So this will do 8 number of times, because the first time we measured 2 balls.
Okay,
So
that would not be minimum number as you said. So
So
that's not possible.
I'm telling you that there exists one other possible solution
now-
that takes less than 8 trials.
I have an idea. Shall I?
So now viewers can pause their video and think about this for a while. And after this, we are not going to answer the problem as per se, but we'll have a short discussion on it.
Okay, let me tell you.
So
I
hoping that
feel-
you have thought about it. So ma'am, tell me what idea do you have?
I feel that because 9 is not exactly divisible,
Okay.
let me take 4 balls at one time. Place 4 on the left side of the beam balance and 4 on the right side.
Okay.
So
So if I take 4, I place it on this left side.
yeah, and 4 on the right.
Okay, so I take these 4, say, and I place it on the right. I'm not placing it exactly on top of the beam balance because I want to be able to
Your
move this
balance will
around.
collapse.
Yeah. So what if I do this? So maybe there are two things that can happen. Either the needle could point upright,
Yeah.
or needle could face either of the plates.
Okay, if it is upright, we'll conclude that both are equal and the one which is left is faulty.
This one is faulty. So you got lucky, and
Yeah,
in the first
but you
trial.
were saying that I
Yeah.
will not be lucky. You say
Yes.
that.
Okay. So what if one side is heavier, what will
One side
happen
is
then?
heavier. Now I would have 4 balls in which one of them is faulty. Now I have reduced my 1 out of 9 being faulty. I have 1 out of 4 faulty.
Okay.
So then I'll place 2 in each balance out of that 4.
Okay, so now say that we have found that these 4 are good. These 4 are all right. They are golden balls, and maybe these guys are faulty ones because the needle pointed towards this side. Now you are saying that we'll take 2
2 on
from this
each.
and 2 from this and place it on. Okay,
Yeah.
and then again you'll have
So
one side.
yeah, but I need one more trial also.
Yes, so you need
One more.
again from this 2 you'll eliminate 2 of these as good balls, and you'll take one more trial to
Yeah.
finally figure out which one is
Yes.
fake. So you took 3 trials, right?
Yeah, and I would say that is the minimum number of trials, isn't it?
And what if I say that I could do this in 2 trials?
Oh,
So I'd want you to think about, I'd want the viewers to think about this and give me an answer.
oh, let
We'll
me
definitely
answer.
discuss the answer in the next video.
Sure,
Right?
sure.
Thank you.